My name is Dr. K. Srinivasulu from St. Peter's Engineering College. Subject Analog and Digital Electronics in shortcut AD. AD means Analog and Digital Electronics. So today topic is tunnel diode. Today topic is tunnel diode. Tunnel diode is a special purpose diodes. Actually, diodes, different types of diodes are there. Ordinary diodes and special purpose diodes. Ordinary diodes means silicon diode, germanium diode. These two are called ordinary diodes. Special purpose diodes means Zener diode, tunnel diode, varactor diode, photodiode, LED. So these are all the special purpose diodes. That means the diodes are operated under the reverse bias. So the diodes are used at a high voltages. So that's what are called the special purpose diodes. So under that one, special purpose diodes one, tunnel diode is a very popular and very important diode. So how to use the tunnel diode? How to work in the tunnel diode? Okay. So let us see now. Introduction. So the tunnel diode invented by Dr. Leo Askey in 1958. So sometimes the tunnel diode also is called the Askey diode. Askey diode. Basically, it is heavily doped PN junction. Heavily doped, very important. But in silicon and germanium, lightly doped, moderately doped, lightly doped. But tunnel diode is heavily doped. So that's why the resistance also very high. So that's why, so here in tunnel diode, you are applying the more voltage because of heavily doped. The diodes are fabricated from germanium, gallium arsenide, GaS, and gallium antimonide. So this is the symbol of the tunnel diode. Just like a PN junction diode, anode and cathode. Here also in tunnel diode also anode and cathode. But the tunnel diodes are operated in reverse bias, I mean high voltages. Okay. So this is very not comparable that ordinary diodes and these diodes, but these are all diodes under the semiconductor diodes. But the tunnel diodes are operated under the reverse bias. That means high voltages. Okay, so that is the symbol of the tunnel diode. Wherever you draw the symbol of the tunnel diode. Okay. Next, description. Tunnel diode is a semiconductor with a special characteristics of negative resistance. By negative resistance, we mean that when voltage increase, the current through it decreases. When voltages are increased, then the current will decrease. So automatically in the previous starting PN junction, there forward bias and reverse bias. Under the reverse bias, you will apply the high voltage, but the current is very small. So increasing of the voltage, automatically current will be decreases. So heavily doped PN junction, doping density of about 1000 times greater than the ordinary junction diode. Heavy doping effects reduces the width of the depletion layer to about the 0.0001 millimeters. Produce negative resistance section in characteristic graph of diode. Reduce the reverse breakdown voltage to a small value approach to zero. Small pyridine gaps in tunnel diode. So pyridine gaps means valence band and conduction band in between. So the pyridine gap is very small in a tunnel diode. Allows conduction for all reverse voltages. Basic principle of operation. The operation depends upon the quantum mechanics principle known as a tunneling. Very important. So what is the principle of the tunnel diode? The tunnel diode operation depending on the quantum mechanics. So the movement of valence electrons from the valence energy band to conduction band with no applied forward voltage is called the tunneling. Okay. So without applying any voltage, so the electrons, valence electron from the valence energy band to conduction band move. That is called tunneling. So intrinsic voltage barrier 0.3 volts for germanium is reduced, which is enhanced tunneling. Enhanced tunneling causes effective conductivity. Enhanced means increase. So in previous, the gap is very less in tunneling. So whenever enhancing between the gap, okay, working out working the tunnel diode. In a conventional diode, forward conduction occurs only if the forward bias is sufficient to give charge carriers the energy necessary to overcome the potential barrier. When tunnel diode is slightly forward biased, many carriers are able to tunnel through narrow depletion region without acquiring that energy. The carriers are able to tunnel or easily pass because the voltage barrier reduced due to the high doping. So here voltage barrier is very important between PN junction diode. So whenever heavily doped, automatically the voltage barrier is reduced because of the heavily doping. Or forward bias operation. At first voltage begin to increase, electrons tunnel through PN junction. Electron and holes states become aligned. Next voltage increase further. States become misaligned, current drops, source negative resistance, V increase, I decreases. As voltage increase at further, the diode behave a normal diode. The electrons no longer tunnel through barrier. Reverse bias operation. When used in reverse direction, they are called as back diodes. In this, what happened? The electrons in the valence band of each side tunnel directly towards the empty states present in the conduction band of N side, thus creating larger tunneling current which increase the application of reverse voltage. So here VA characteristics, as forward bias is applied significantly, current is produced. So in this graph, current on y-axis, voltage on x-axis. So VP means peak value point, somebody is called value point. So VP to VV is called the negative resistance area. Okay, after continuous increase of the voltage, the current achieves its minimum value called as valley current. Valley current. After further increase the voltage, current start increasing as an ordinary diode. Okay, this character VA character is tunnel diode. Okay. Next, the tunnel diode reverse VA is similar to Zener diode. The Zener diode has a region in its reverse bias characteristics of almost a constant voltage regardless of the current flowing through the diode. Just like a Zener diode. Zener diode also operate under the reverse bias direction. Okay, so under the tunnel diode reverse bias, just like a Zener diode. So this is the Zener diode VA characteristics. So reverse bias region, reverse breakdown voltage. So whenever applying the more voltage, current also decreases. So very peak level, we are applying the voltage, automatically the diode is destroyed. Okay. Applications. It is used as an ultra high speed switch due to tunneling, which essentially takes place at a speed light. If you want speed light, tunnel diodes are used. It has switching time of nanoseconds or picoseconds, very fast responding. So when tunnel diodes are used, very fast switching. Used as a logic memory storage device. So tunnel diodes are used in computers, motherboards. Because of the computer motherboard consisting of a computer circuits. Computer circuits means combinational logic circuits and sequential logic circuits in which the tunnel diodes are used. In a satellite communication equipment, they are widely used. Due to its feature of current resistancy, it is used in relaxation oscillator. Relaxation oscillator circuits means square wave, triangular, rectangular. That's one. Advantage, very high speed oscillation. Disadvantage, reproducibility. So tunnel diodes are making very difficulty. That is one of the drawback. Another drawback, low peak to value current ratio. Okay. So these are the advantages, disadvantages of the tunnel diode. Thank you for watching this video.